Okay, good morning, y'all. It's 8 o'clock. I've been up since like 5 this morning. I'm about to go to the gym. I feel like I'm just honest. I'm letting my car warm up, but it's a chilly morning. I'm putting on Valentino. I can't keep it up, but I'm letting my car warm up this morning because it is cold. It's 45 degrees right now. Like I said, I'm about to go to the gym. Do the gym thing. And run some other errands. Because people really be around here driving around me. Like, I know how to drive. Oopsies.
You know you need to come give me that gate. I'm going to hit from the back because I'm big.
Megan. We can't tie that, baby. Love you to death. But, yeah, I can't get a copyright strike behind you, sis. I don't know. But I'm about to head on home. Yeah, and I need to straighten up a little bit. I really honestly do, and start washing some clothes. That's what I need to do. That's what I really, truly, honestly need to do. Ooh. Okay, y'all. So I'm here at Walmart. Ooh, child. But still in my gym clothes. I feel like my outfit is Walmart appropriate, and plus what I need is cheaper at Walmart. So my keys, my other phone, my wallet's in here. Drink the rest of my water. My mouth is dry. All right, so let's. I'm doing fine out here on my own. You think that you can come around here for some fun, but boy, you got a lot to learn. Don't shake your head from side to side, saying that you're changing up, that you see the light, cause you just say what you say, and what you wear, and it's that game that you play, it's a little late. As if I'm never gonna take you back, as if you're never gonna come to that, so see you out, say you goodbye. Me a bird, pass me by, as if I'm gonna put you in my heart again, as if I'm gonna let your love back in my life. Yeah, not tonight, get a grip, yeah, baby, as Okay, y'all, so I just left Walmart. Walmart's overwhelming, y'all. I was so thirsty. I was so thirsty. I am thirsty. Like, I don't think I've drank anything all day. I don't think I fit anything in my body at all. Plain juice, because plain juice is all in freaking Concord, y'all. This car is hot. It's hot in this car. I know that. Whew. And because the sun beaming right into it, so make sure I cut that heat off because I don't need no more. I'll probably crack a window. Oh, Lord. It was easy getting in here, but I don't know about getting out. That I don't know about. So let's see how that goes. Coming out. Oh, she was waiting on my spot any freaking way, so. Oh well. I don't feel bad if you waiting on my spot. Like, bro, you waiting on my spot. Cool. Let me make sure I safely get out of here so you can get this spot. Okay, which way am I about to go? I ain't go this way. it's hot. Like, I'm sweating. Gotta go head over here to good old Dollar Tree. Okay, y'all, so we're at the Dollar Tree. Let me cut the car off. And we're at Dollar Tree. I need to get some stuff out of some cleaning supplies out of Dollar Tree. Whew, so this whole workout life, my body gotta get acclimated to it, y'all. You gotta get acclimated to it. Let's go into the Dollar Tree, y'all. Let's go. Look. I think this is from what, apron? Girl, okay, Dollar Tree. Yo, Dollar Tree really stepping up. They really stepping it up. Like, it's $5, but it's a 4-foot blow up. I don't know who gonna blow it up. Yeah, velvet hangers, $5. Okay, Dollar Tree. Okay, I need some trash bags too, so. Okay. Okay, Dollar Tree. Baby. Like, you know, everybody out here stepping, y'all get look. I mean, they not like it's not thick in the back, but if you on a budget, but you still want, like, this would be a cute coffee table. Look, just to take that off, it'd just be a cute coffee table, just for decor or whatever. Look, not the baby Monopoly. It's $1.25. Girl. Okay. Nah, but no, Dollar Tree kind of stepping up. You get like stockings in Dollar Tree. Yeah, I think this is for $3. And I think this, but I like this one better. This is like their $1.25. So $3, $1.25. That little dog is so bad. I think running a little low. I should have grabbed some at Walmart, but I'm trying to be in and out. Okay? I'm still trying to be in and out of Walmart. Okay, so I'm back in the car. So I feel so dehydrated. I'm gonna try this Fiji water and Hydro Mate. I mean, I know what Fiji water is like, but I am only to come in here for $1.25. Why am I just why are you shaking water? Honestly, it feels thicker. Like the flakes feel thicker than liquid IV. They're not as easy to open either. Okay, hopefully this quenches my dehydration. Y'all, it's this one. She was an older lady, right? I guess she didn't know Dollar Tree started having items that was $5. And this is natural lemon lime flavor. But I guess, anyways, I guess the older lady, she didn't get the memo that, yeah, Dollar Tree is not $1 no more. So she had picked up like this Christmas tree, decorated Christmas tree. And it said $5. She said, oh no, not at the Dollar Tree. She looked at me, I was like, yeah. Oh, that feels so good. It's pretty good though. I don't know if it's hydrating me. So I was thirsty. I'm not as thirsty as I was, but yeah, she was upset. Nonetheless, to say she was pretty upset that now it's $5 and not just $1. She was already upset about the 25 cents. And so I kind of am too. Yeah. But this water is good. That was pretty tasty. Okay. Where am I about to go? Oh, Jessica, where are you about to go?